We arrived at the end of our training in working with parts. I love working with parts. I use it, like I said, almost all the time. Parts and regression are my two big loves, if you will. They complement each other so well. You can easily work both with parts and regression, and you can combine them together. And I genuinely believe that if you know how to work with parts, you will be able to help 90% of the clients that come through the door in your session, because it's so easy, it's so versatile, it's so fast, and it works at a very profound and a very deep level. So mastering working with parts is something I always advise any coach, counselor, psychotherapist, NLP practitioner, hypnotist, whatever you want to call yourself. If you're working with people, if you interact with people, then knowing how to use and work with parts, whether your own or the people you're talking to, knowing how to do that, it's a must. I love it. I strongly advise everyone and anyone to learn about parts therapy, to deepen their knowledge and to practice working with parts. In this training, I provided you a step-by-step process on how to do it with yourself and with your clients. And if you'd like to learn more, I'd be very happy to welcome you in our training on parts therapy. You can see more details in the description below. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, of course, I'd be super happy to welcome them, to receive them. So make sure to send us messages or comment on the video here. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next training, in our next video, in our next course.